creating a job costing report doesn't have to be difficult, and it's so essential to ensuring you know the profitability of your project. So we're going to take just a couple minutes to show you exactly how simple this is really to do. So it all starts with an estimate. We're estimating on every single project we do. We should be estimating at a cost code level. So whatever that is, if you're using a spreadsheet for whatever, that's fine. But eventually you need to bring that estimate into a piece of software that you can budget off of. For me, it's Buildertrend. I'm going to bring my estimate into the estimate of Buildertrend. Again, I don't necessarily build my estimate here, but at a certain point in time of the job, whether I'm in pre-construction or maybe further along, I'm going to bring my estimate in here so that I have a good place off of which to launch my job costing budget. Got my estimate in here. I'm working through bids. I'm working through allowances. I'm doing all that work during pre-con. At a certain point in time, it's ready for me to put into contract and to send to my budget. I'm going to do exactly that right now. I'm going to click send to budget. And that's what Buildertrend makes so easy. I can work in my estimate, and then when I'm ready, I send it to budget. It locks in the price, and now I can continue working on it. Does that mean the price can't change? Absolutely not. It just means that this is a point in time, a line in the sand that we've established our original price, and then we use change orders and selections, and we can of course change it from there. So what I'm looking at right now is a job costing budget, automatically created right from my estimate. Again, you're going to see cost codes here. It's important that you think about your cost codes. What level of specificity do you need, both on the budgeting side? Here's my budget cost and the actuals, okay? As your budget starts out, it's just going to be, what's my budget? There's going to be no actuals against it. The system is going to assume you're going to spend what you say you're going to spend. It's going to give you profitability numbers, all of that. Now what happens is you work through the project, you actually do spending. This is where if you don't have a robust system like Buildertrend, you're going to get lost. You're trying to do this in spreadsheets, it gets way too crazy, way too quickly. You want to create your bills in BT or potentially in your accounting software and have them synced over. But in any case, you need those expenses to come in here. So I have a bill that I just created there. That's now going to show up as an actual cost, and it shows me that I'm a little bit over budget there. Okay, and I'm going to do that throughout the project so I get an idea. I'm over here, I'm under there. Ultimately, what's my profitability going to be? What's my net margin going to be as well? This job costing budget does not need to be difficult. You can see that Buildertrend makes it so easy to go from this estimate over to the job costing budget. And this is where I'm going to live throughout the entire thing. So let me know if you have any questions on that, but really this should be a goal of yours to have really strong job costing budgets in 2026.